if you think about it, Doc, si Jesus alone, if you read the Bible, ang
Mm.
dami niyang NLP tools na ginagamit. Reframe. Let's talk about reframe. He who has no sin cast the first stone.
Mm.
Right? Ni-reframe niya yung mga tao kaysa tatapunan nila ng bato yung babae, pinabalik nila sa sarili nila. Context reframe, no? Chinange niya yung context na instead of siya, tingnan mo muna yung sarili mo. The parables, right? He uses parables which are metaphors. And how did Jesus, no, the Lord delivered it? Hindi niya in-explain yung mga parables, di ba? He just leaves it as it is, which you
Mm.
know the mechanism with that. No, meta models, he would ask questions. Who do people say I am? Because he would dig deeper in the consciousness of his disciples kung gaano ba nila kakilala si Jesus. Imagine, all of those principles are already being used before pa. No, and tayo, we just use it intentionally. Mas alam lang natin paano gamitin. And I'm sure that Jesus knows all of those. No? He knew also the principles behind it. And what's amazing is that we can use it for good, right? We know how to, kumbaga, influence other people for the better para magbago naman yung buhay nila, Doc.